We'll take 450 grams of beef, any will do. I have beef. We add 1 egg, salt it, sprinkle spices to taste. I took black pepper, hot red pepper, and a universal seasoning for minced meat. We mix. Grate 3.5 ounces of cheese and dice the onion. Also need to cut 150 grams of mushrooms, but mine are frozen and already cut. On a skillet, we fry the onion until it's golden. Cook mushrooms until all water evaporates. Season it, add pepper and remove from heat. Form patties from the minced meat, beating them well. Indent the center to make dimples. Spread the mushroom filling. In the sour cream, add garlic, dried or fresh. Add 2 tablespoons of sour cream and spread it over the mushrooms. Mayonnaise can be used instead of sour cream. Sprinkle cheese on top. And we send it to the oven for 25 minutes. When serving, we slightly adjust the melted cheese. And you get such a beautiful, tasty dish, which is suitable for a regular dinner and for a festive table. I hope you enjoy your meal. Subtitles were created